The Trump family, a name synonymous with wealth, power, and now, cryptocurrency. Forget real estate, forget reality TV, the Trumps are building a new empire, a digital empire, and they're doing it with Bitcoin. This isn't some small-time operation. We're talking serious money, serious ambition, and that trademark Trump swagger. They're not just dipping their toes in the crypto pool, they're diving in head first. The world is watching, and Wall Street is holding its breath. What will they do next? Leading the charge are the Trump sons, Don Jr. and Eric, taking their father's penchant for bold moves into the digital age. They're not just figureheads, they're deeply involved in the family's crypto ventures. Their ownership stake in the new company? A cool 98%. This isn't just business, it's personal. They're putting their money where their mouths are, and they're betting big on Bitcoin. The message is clear, the Trumps are here to stay and they're playing to win. The vehicle for their ambition? A company called American Bitcoin, born from a merger with Griffin Digital Mining. Their new ticker symbol? ABTC. Catchy, right? The merger itself sent shockwaves through the market. Griffin stock? Up over 300%. Hut 8, a key player in the deal? A 10% jump. The investors are excited, to say the least. This isn't just a merger, it's a power play. The Trumps are consolidating their crypto holdings, and they're doing it with a bang. This isn't just about making money, it's about dominance. The Trumps see the potential of cryptocurrency, and they want to be at the forefront of this digital revolution. Eric Trump himself put it best, "We won the space race. We better win the crypto race." The message is clear. This is about national pride, about American ingenuity, about being number one. The gloves are off, the stakes are high, and the Trumps are ready to compete. Section 5. Echoes of a Former King. It's hard not to see the influence of the family patriarch Donald Trump in all of this. His larger-than-life persona and unyielding determination have left an indelible mark on American politics and beyond. From his business ventures to his time in the Oval Office, Trump's impact is undeniable. His speeches, often filled with fervor and conviction, rallied millions and polarized just as many. The image of him pointing at the camera, a gesture both commanding and confrontational, encapsulates his approach to leadership and public life. His policies, though controversial, often benefited Bitcoin miners, particularly those based in the United States. During his administration, there was a noticeable shift in the regulatory landscape that seemed to favor the burgeoning cryptocurrency industry. Bitcoin miners, who rely heavily on energy resources, found a more accommodating environment under Trump's leadership. This was a time when the digital currency was gaining traction, and the support, whether direct or indirect, from the highest office in the land, provided a significant boost to their operations. His support for fossil fuels, another point of contention during his presidency, inadvertently benefited some miners who rely on these energy sources. The push for coal and oil, industries that were seeing a decline, found a resurgence under Trump's policies. This not only impacted traditional energy sectors but also had a ripple effect on industries that depend on these resources. Bitcoin mining, known for its high energy consumption, particularly benefited from the availability of cheaper and more abundant fossil fuels. This intersection of old and new industries created a unique economic landscape. Whether intentional or not, the Trump legacy seems to have paved the way for this crypto surge. The deregulation and business-friendly environment fostered during his tenure provided fertile ground for the growth of cryptocurrencies. Investors, emboldened by the administration's stance, poured capital into the market, leading to unprecedented surges in Bitcoin and other digital currencies. The stock market charts from that era tell a story of rapid growth and speculative fervor, a testament to the volatile yet lucrative nature of the crypto market. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree, as they say. Eric Trump, following in his father's footsteps, has also made his mark in the business and political arenas. The imagery of father and son working together side by side underscores the continuity of the Trump legacy. From real estate to politics, the influence of the Trump family continues to be felt. Their story is one of ambition, controversy, and undeniable impact, echoing through the corridors of power and the annals of history. Section 6. Whispers of controversy. Of course, no Trump venture is without its share of controversy. The Trump family has always been at the center of public attention, whether it's their business dealings, political endeavors, or personal lives. Their ventures often spark heated debates and intense scrutiny from both supporters and critics alike. This pattern of controversy seems almost inseparable from the Trump brand, making headlines and stirring public discourse. The dollar Trump meme coin, for example, raised eyebrows with its offer of a private dinner with the former president. This move was seen by many as a clever marketing strategy, while others viewed it as a blatant attempt to capitalize on Trump's fame. The meme coin itself became a topic of discussion, with financial experts debating its legitimacy and potential impact on the market. The offer of a private dinner added a layer of exclusivity and intrigue, drawing in both supporters and skeptics. Then there are the environmental concerns. The Trump family's ventures have often been criticized for their environmental impact. From real estate developments to industrial projects, their business activities have raised questions about sustainability and ecological responsibility. Environmentalists argue that these ventures contribute to pollution, deforestation, and other forms of environmental degradation, sparking protests and calls for more responsible practices. Bitcoin mining is notoriously energy-intensive, often relying on fossil fuels. This has led to significant criticism, especially in the context of global efforts to combat climate change. The energy consumption associated with Bitcoin mining is staggering, with some estimates suggesting it rivals that of entire countries. This has prompted debates about the sustainability of cryptocurrencies and the need for greener alternatives. Critics are quick to point out the hypocrisy of the Trumps championing a technology that contributes to climate change. The juxtaposition of promoting Bitcoin while also facing accusations of environmental negligence has not gone unnoticed. Environmental activists and concerned citizens have been vocal in their opposition, organizing protests and campaigns to raise awareness about the environmental impact of the Trump family's ventures. This has added another layer of controversy to an already contentious topic. But the Trumps are no strangers to controversy. Their history is filled with business scandals, legal battles, and media storms. From high-profile bankruptcies to allegations of unethical practices, the Trump family has navigated a myriad of controversies over the years. These incidents have shaped their public image, making them one of the most polarizing families in modern history. Despite the negative press, they have managed to maintain a loyal following and continue to wield significant influence. If anything, it seems to fuel their ambition. The Trump family appears to thrive on controversy, using it as a catalyst for their endeavors. Their ability to turn negative attention into opportunities is a testament to their resilience and strategic thinking. Whether it's launching new business ventures or engaging in political campaigns, the Trumps have shown a remarkable capacity to leverage controversy to their advantage. This relentless drive and ambition continue to define their legacy, making them a formidable force in both the business and political arenas. Section 7. Bitcoin holds the line. Despite the hype, the drama, the controversy, Bitcoin itself remains relatively stable. The price hasn't fluctuated wildly in response to the Trump's latest move. Perhaps the market is taking a wait-and-see approach. Or maybe, just maybe, Bitcoin has finally matured to a point where it's less susceptible to the whims of even the most powerful families. Only time will tell what the long-term impact of American Bitcoin will be. Section 8. A strategic carve-out. American Bitcoin wasn't created out of thin air. It emerged from a complex and calculated series of decisions, each one meticulously planned and executed. The digital currency landscape is vast and ever-changing, but American Bitcoin stands out due to its unique origins and strategic foundation. It's the result of a strategic carve-out from Hut 8's energy and AI platform. This wasn't just a spur-of-the-moment decision. It was a well-thought-out move designed to leverage existing strengths and create new opportunities. Hut 8, known for its innovative approach to energy and artificial intelligence, saw an untapped potential in the cryptocurrency market. A smart move, some might say. By focusing on their core competencies and identifying a niche market, they were able to carve out a significant presence in the digital currency space. This strategic decision has not only set them apart from competitors but also positioned them as leaders in the industry. By separating their Bitcoin mining operations, the Trumps have created a more focused entity, one that can operate with greater efficiency and agility. This separation allows for a dedicated team to concentrate solely on Bitcoin mining, ensuring that they stay ahead of technological advancements and market trends. One that's primed to attract new capital and investors eager to get in on the ground floor of what could be the next big thing. It's a bold strategy, designed to draw in those who see the potential for significant returns. The financial world is always on the lookout for the next big opportunity, and American Bitcoin presents just that. But then again, the Trumps have never been known for their subtlety. Their approach is always grand, always ambitious. This move into the cryptocurrency market is no different. It's a testament to their ability to adapt and innovate, to see opportunities where others might see risks. In the world of business, fortune often favors the bold, and the Trumps are nothing if not bold. Section 9, stay tuned. So there you have it, folks. The Trumps are in the crypto game and they're playing for keeps. This is a story that's just getting started, and you won't want to miss what happens next. Subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates, analysis, and deep dives into the wild world of cryptocurrency. Trust us, you'll want to be along for this ride.